Welcome to Meadow Container Inc, your reliable partner for your dumpster rental in Hazleton, Pennsylvania. We are your local solution for clean, efficient, and eco-friendly waste management. We understand the importance of efficient waste management in completing your projects. Whether you're planning a home renovation, a construction project, or simply need to declutter your space, Meadow Container Inc has got you covered. Our expert team is here to ensure a hassle-free experience while renting a dumpster. We offer many dumpster sizes to cater to your specific needs. Our happy customers in Hazleton, Pennsylvania, trust Meadow Container Inc for their dumpster rental needs, and you can, too. We are committed to providing excellence in dumpster rental services. Our team is always ready to assist you in selecting the perfect dumpster size, so you only have to pay for what you need. At Meadow Container Inc, environmental responsibility is our top priority. We recycle as much waste as possible, reducing the impact on our environment. Visit our website at www.meadowcontainer.com for more details on our services, pricing, and to request a quote. Or, call us at 570-926-7823, and our friendly team will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Choose Meadow Container Inc for your dumpster rental needs in Hazleton, Pennsylvania, and experience the difference. Meadow Container Inc, your trusted partner in Hazleton, Pennsylvania, for all your dumpster rental needs.